Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we learn glitch effects in After Effects. So let's get started. First we create a new composition. Then we add a new solid layer, and rename it to Fractal Noise. Then we applied fractal noise effects on it, and changed some settings. Then we press Alt, and click on Random Seed. And type postize time 12 and time 15. Then we press Compose the layer and check the Move All attributes, and change the name Fractal and click on OK. Then we add new adjustment layer, and turn off visibility of fractal layer. Then we add text, YouTube. Beneath the text layer of fractal layer. Then we add displacement map effects on adjustment layer. And change into fractal. Then we set a key according to me. And select all the key and click on Hold Keyframe. Then we cut the layer and compose the layer of 1 and 2, and change name to Glitch. Then we add new adjustment layer and apply the chromatic aberration. Then we cut the layer according to me. And it's done, we successfully created glitch effects. Please subscribe to my channel for upcoming updates and amazing tutorials.